Hi, in this guide we will see all the details of the proposed downstream job. A job overview, how to customize it, and how can be your user experience. For using the proposed downstream job, you need to have Packit installed in GitHub or configured in GitLab. The release source code must have a Packit configuration file with an entry for the proposed downstream job. The proposed downstream job is highly customizable, mainly because you have access to the upstream. The packet default procedures for synchronizing the release can be changed using the actions. As an example, you can change how the sources archive is created, or you can change the changelog entries, or yet the commit message, and many other aspects. Packit set the spec file version, taking it from the tag release. If they are different, you can tell Packit how to resolve the version starting from the tag using the upstream tag template key in your configuration file. You can also add other files to the synchronization process, telling Packit which are the other files you want to be copied from the upstream to the downstream using the files to sync key. There are multiple ways to tweak the changelog generation. You can tell Packit to use the upstream, GitHub or GitLab event description field, or you can ask Packit to use the upstream changelog, or yet you can customize the entries with an action. And if you are using auto changelog in your spec file, Packit will preserve it. Once Packit has created the downstream pull request, you can easily modify it if you want to. You can watch the proposed downstream job statuses using our dashboard. Packit will create an issue in your upstream project if any error happens during the release synchronization process. You can always retrigger a failed job, commenting in the issue or in the pull request Packit have created.